Hello students, we are starting with the new subject of drawing, that is nature. In that drawing we are going to do nature. So when we think about nature, what comes in them? Means what comes in your mind? That is tree, sun, sky, rivers. Yes, this kind of thing comes in your mind. So we will draw that kind of picture today. Yes. So in nature, see, I have put one picture. We are going to draw this picture like this. Yes. So how we will draw, I will teach you now. That first, if this is your drawing paper, yes. So half of that picture, this is your drawing paper. Then half of that picture, you have to make a straight line like this. Yes. After making straight line, draw some above that sleeping line. What you have to make, you have to make the bushes. Yes, so make it like a cloud like this. And here, not that much, you don't have to cover that much, you have to cover like it a little bit. Okay, you have to put little bit in this way. Yes, after completing that, what you will make on your second half of the page, this is your page. Yes, on half of that you will make a line and you will make bushes. Yes, small bushes, but not that much. You will make this much bushes on both the side. Yes, on that, on the below side, on that below the sleeping line, what you will make, a big curve like this. Yes, you will make a big curve like this. And you will on that two bushes, in that between we will make two coconut trees. Yes, putting the line like going like this. Yes, till much here. When you are taking the line on upside, how the coconut tree is it? First it is fat, then small, then small, then smaller. तो सबसे पहला वो बड़ा है, फिर छोटा, छोटा से as you can see in this, that you can see that here it is big space and there is small space. So you have to make like this coconut tree on both the side. Yes, and you have to make the leaves. First you will put the leaves like that down. First make the line like this and put like this, 1 2 3 zigzag line. First put the line down and make zigzag line. Okay, you have to do like this lines, and then you have to make coconuts inside. So for coconuts you can place how much you want, but not more than 4. Yes, only 4 or 3 it is okay. Okay, after making this two coconut tree, make a big circle in between of them. Yes, after making a big circle, make some grass like this on both the side of the coconut and in between also, not on the full one, only on the both the side. After finishing this picture, what you will do, first what you will color, that is this part. First you can see this corners and edge part. या आप edge part देख रहे हो, वहाँ पे आप dark green, very dark green use करोगे. Yes, you can see there is little bit dark green. After using on the edge part, this edge part dark green, you will use your light color green. So use it. After using your light color green, very light color green, take your hand and keep the drawing paper and rub on it. You have to keep your hands on here, and you have to erase everything. So when you will erase, जब आप उसे रफ करोगे ऊपर से अपने हाथ से, so it will mix up, so it will not it will look good and it will look like a grass. आप जब उसके ऊपर रफ करोगे डार्क ग्रीन और ग्रीन, जब आपने कलर कर दिया बॉर्डर से ग्रीन कलर, एंड देन यू और अंदर से आपने लाइट ग्रीन कलर यूज किया, तो फिर आप उसके ऊपर अपना वन फिंगर यूज करके उसके ऊपर बस एक ऐसे ऐसे करो, तो वो मिक्सअप हो जाएगा उस कलर के साथ. ओके, then what you will do for the same way for the water, what you will do for water, जो आप ये एच पॉइंट देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे आपने स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाया है, there you will color dark blue. Okay, you will place the dark blue connecting to this point. Place the dark blue color connecting to this point on the edge parts, and inside that dark blue you will use your light blue color. Yes, after using your light blue color you will again use your hand and you will erase, means you will press like this and you will erase everything. Yes, आप erase करोगे तो वो भी उसके साथ mix up हो जाएगा और it will look like a real water. Yes, और एक बुशे से इसे आप डायरेक्ट ग्रीन कलर से कर दो, नॉट डार्क ग्रीन, नॉट very much light green, medium green. Yes, on both the side. And now for the sun, the sky and the sun. First one, it obviously goes yellow, and on the above, on the below of that sun, you can see this half part, it is looking like a red. So you will use this red color and you will erase it with your hands, and above that, on the above half sun, this yellow, you will use the yellow color, and rest you will use your orange color, and above that orange color you will use yellow color again, and you have to erase with your hands. After using till match, you will color this coconut tree. It is very easy to color the coconut tree. First you will color it with a brown, light brown, and give some highlight on the border part. Highlight the border parts पे dark brown color use करके. Yes, and for the leaves, it will go green, and use the sketch pen, or but use it in a light way if you are using the sketch pen, or you can use pen also, black pen. It will comes good if you will use black pen. And when we comes up to our grasses, use your green color to highlight that grass. Don't use sketch pen on grass. Yes, this grass, use directly green color. Okay, so this we have come to an end. Try to make the picture as similar as this. Okay, so your homework is draw this drawing picture in your drawing book. Yes, and color it very nicely. I hope you will understand this drawing. Thank you.